Often, the best way to move forward is first to take a step back, to better assess your current situation in order to plan the clearest path forward. So, for the good of our bowling business partners, that's exactly what Brunswick did. And we did it big, to do it right. Between 2012 and 2014, Brunswick invested over $2 million in this research, interviewing hundreds of bowlers in real centers, surveying over 2,000 active consumers, and observing bowlers in centers for over 500 hours. What we learned first is that many bowling centers have the same top priority needs. You need to increase your center's revenues, better control your costs, improve overall customer service, and somehow make up for the decline in league bowling. Next, we looked for better ways to accomplish those goals and discovered you can do a world of good just by automating and systematizing more of your everyday operations. This way, centers deliver a more consistently pleasing customer experience. Automation reduces and better manages costs. It can help you attract more first-time customers and help you coax them back more often. Our research revealed some other things too, including great news for everyone in the bowling center business. The gist is that bowling remains a very popular entertainment. It's still the #1 venue for kids' birthday parties, for example. If anything, the appeal of bowling is growing. Just look at the long list of other entertainment venues, from casinos to cineplexes to brew houses that are adding bowling to their mix. Our research picked up on other important trends too, ones that bowling centers need to better capitalize on. For example, bowling needs to better leverage the internet lifestyle that has swept through our culture, transforming much of what we all do and how we do it. Also, bowling needs to tap into the growing popularity of screen entertainment, a trend that's transforming recreation both in-home and on the town. Brunswick rolled up all of this learning into the blueprint for SYNC, our all-new revolutionary all-in-one scoring and management system. SYNC incorporates a highly sophisticated scoring system, the most powerful center marketing package ever built into a center network system, and a comprehensive suite of center management tools. Now, it all comes together, all in one integrated best-in-class system. Introducing SYNC, only from Brunswick. At its core, SYNC was designed around a fundamental pivotal principle. To increase traffic and revenues, you need to bring your center more in sync with the basic sales cycle that propels every retail entertainment establishment. The ball starts rolling in the decision phase, when people make up their minds what to do that day to have fun. Next comes your customer's experience upon arrival. The bowling experience phase is often the most critical and most important in determining if your customers come back. Finally, the sales cycle wraps up as your customers are leaving. Only SYNC is designed to help center owners improve their businesses at every turn. That's the SYNC revolution. Now, let's take you on a little SYNC walk-around, a step-by-step tour of the system's features and benefits to show you how SYNC gives you a big leg up. SYNC features a powerful suite of sophisticated marketing tools designed to build your business like never before. First and foremost is the new SYNC Customer Relationship Manager, or CRM for short. The SYNC CRM works to automatically collect customer data, including names and email addresses, then organize it all into a computer database that's stored in the cloud. You can set the CRM to create and deliver different marketing materials automatically. Use SYNC to leverage your social media. The CRM includes pre-designed ads you can send via Twitter. You can also use SYNC to update your center's Facebook posts. With the SYNC CRM, you send the right signals to the right audiences at the right time, every time, all with minimal time, effort, and expense on your part. SYNC also includes several powerful new in-center marketing tools. For example, now you can display ads for your center's other offerings right on the score sheet, tempting bowlers to enjoy a burger or beverage in between games, even letting them place orders right from their lane. Likewise, SYNC entices bowlers with a prominent Specials button that's displayed at the bottom of the score sheet. Click on it, and up pops a tasteful menu of specials that you can set and change whenever you want. There's also a new service button in the main navigation at the bottom of the score sheet. Click on it, and up comes a selection of text messages that bowlers can send to the front desk or your kitchen. Finally, SYNC greatly enhances your internet reservations capabilities. The software is optimized to run on smartphones and other mobile devices. It lets users log in via Facebook or other social networks. It can even send bowlers who are in your center a text message when their lane is ready. SYNC lets bowlers make internet reservations directly through your center's website, and they can attach other products and packages to their reservations. SYNC also works in many ways to improve your center's management and operations. The new Lane Status Dashboard completely redesigns the screen you use all the time to manage traffic on your lanes. The new dashboard has a cleaner, bolder, more intuitive layout, making it faster and easier to use. It speeds up check-in and check-out, even lets you send welcome screens to guide bowlers to their lanes. SYNC adds a new custom screen designer, putting you in control of making the interface work best for you. You can resize and reorder the buttons on any transaction screen. Add product logos or other graphics to buttons for easy spotting. Select and change the colors of individual buttons or product groupings, all to make the layout of every screen make the most sense for you. The new Split Tab function in SYNC can save you from many splitting headaches. It makes it a breeze to split tabs in multiple ways, evenly or weighted differently between payers. Next, SYNC's back-office system has been beefed up to make it more powerful than ever, but also more streamlined. Get a snapshot of your business at any time with the daily dashboard, compile manifests, produce reports and audits. Use new SYNC modules to protect against fraud and theft, and schedule your staff, all quicker and more efficiently. Finally, let's take a look at everything SYNC does to improve and intensify your customers' bowling experience. It starts with SYNC's sleek and stylish new scoring consoles. They're available in touchscreen tablets or keypad models. Either model can be pedestal or tabletop mounted. They all look great but are tough as nails, and they work with either your existing or new HD overhead monitors. SYNC offers many new, customer segment-specific score sheet designs. The Buzz is designed for casual recreational bowlers. It features cleaner, bolder, more interactive screens, including real-time activity feeds that tell groups what's happening on their friends' lanes. You can even set the animations to interact right on top of the score sheets. For more serious bowlers, SYNC offers the League score sheet style. It displays real-time stats like ball speed and running team scores right on the sheet. It's everything competitive bowlers want to see, minus the shenanigans they don't. Finally, SYNC includes a trio of new games that your bowlers will love to play. Horse mimics the classic playground basketball game. The first player can set up the pins however he wants. If he knocks them all down, the next player has to make the same shot or else get a letter. First to spell horse loses. The new Easy Bowling game is perfect for kids' birthday parties. Each game is just 5 frames long, with 1 ball per frame, making it perfect for kids' parties. The new Creature Feature game has the same simple rules as Easy Bowling, adding a spooky, fun monster theme that'll keep the kids howling with delight. Brunswick built SYNC using the latest next-generation software and hardware technologies. It's the first all-new built-from-the-ground-up scoring and management system to be launched in over 20 years. SYNC leverages cloud technology to provide seamless integration between you and your customers through applications like the SYNC CRM. You get secure anytime access to your customer data. And since it's all stored off-site, you're protected against data loss due to things like fire, flooding, or accidental erasure. To give you fingertip control over the entire system, SYNC's user interface has been redesigned from top to bottom, making it the easiest, fastest, most user-friendly scoring and management system ever made. And only SYNC delivers the power of its patented distributed architecture, a one-of-a-kind design that connects bowlers, devices, and staff across an internet-enabled network. It's time to get on board, buckle up, and shoot for the stars with SYNC. It's how the game is won.